Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. And here's another cool one. I'm at a car dealership in Dubuque, Iowa, and this is a 1967 Lincoln Continental four-door hardtop, 22-inch wheels and low-profile tire. Just an amazing car. So a 92-year-old gentleman brought this vehicle in and traded it into the dealership. And then they have a body shop, and the body shop went through and did this amazing restoration. Evidently, it didn't need a whole lot. It did need to be painted and, interior cleaned up. You can see here, but just a cool car, all original interior. And I'll show the paint some more here in a moment, but it's like glass. And I think the older or the older version here you got a cigarette lighter and an ashtray in every door. I believe the previous generation of Continental four-door Continentals with the suicide doors, I don't think they had that pillar in the middle, the B pillar. I think they were just wide open, but I'm not exactly sure. These doors weigh a ton. Each door weighs a ton. I would hate to have to take a door off and try to do it by yourself. But just a really cool car. It probably is for sale. I don't know. I didn't ask. The guys at the dealership I basically confirmed it was a 67. And I shot a 67 at another dealership. And that's a ragtop or a drop top. This is the hard top. But just a cool car. Couldn't help myself, had to shoot it. And then in the background at the very beginning, you probably saw the Mercury pickup truck, and that's posted on the channel as well. So that video got a lot of questions as well. Not many people there. You can see the Mercury there. A lot of people didn't know Mercury even made pickup trucks. But there's the Lincoln medallion on the hood. So thanks again for watching.